Welcome to Talk Tech with Rob Scott.
Hello and welcome to the show. I'm your host, Rob Scott, and my next guest is Danny from Kzero. Danny, welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Awesome, man. So how has this week been here at IT Nation for you?
It's been amazing. It's been amazing. Hopefully I can get home back to Canada tomorrow. There's been some issues at the airport, but it's been amazing. It's been amazing meeting partners. It's been amazing meeting prospects, and looking forward to following up with you folks.
Wonderful. For those in the audience that haven't heard of Kzero before, why don't you take a minute to tell them what Kzero is all about and what makes you guys special?
Absolutely. So Kzero is a passwordless, it's an all-in-one suite of authentication suite, if you will. So we've developed a passwordless authentication suite that leverages facial recognition and fingerprint biometrics to authenticate users at breakneck speed, if you will.
And what are some of the most common applications for passwordless authentication?
So you can leverage our platform on any and every application as long as they support SAML or OIDC. So ranging anywhere from your CRM apps, your file sharing apps, email apps, and the list goes on.
So your service is embedded into SaaS products or used by MSPs to help secure their clients' solutions?
We're used by MSPs to help secure their clients' solutions because identity is the new perimeter. So we're trying to protect identity and help move clients away from leveraging passwords, because passwords were invented in the 60s, which is obviously a long time ago, and they weren't built for today's sort of digital reality where there's SaaS everywhere, where you can work from anywhere from my home to the Starbucks across the street. So we need a better way to authenticate users, and that includes leveraging biometrics to authenticate users as opposed to using a password, which can be phished, which can be lost, which can be stolen, which is often reused. And the list goes on in terms of a bad sort of security hygiene, if you will.
And tell us a little bit more about Kzero as a company. How long have you guys in business? How many MSPs do you guys serve?
Yeah. So we're a pretty young organization. We've been around for just over 4 years. We actually started off, our founders come from the government in Canada. They were knee deep in cryptography and authentication. So they decided to branch out, start their own thing, and started doing some authentication and cryptography projects with the government of Canada. And that was sort of the genesis of our product. And they said, hey, kind of a light bulb went off and said, hey, we can actually commercialize this solution. And that was the birth of Kzero's passwordless solution, which is now an MFA and SSO. And we actually also developed a biometric password manager as well for apps that don't support SAML and OIDC, and obviously for websites as well. And we've currently onboarded, since we released our platform, we've currently onboarded just under 100 MSPs and looking to hopefully quadruple that over the next 12 months.
Wow, that's impressive. And as you think about the role of AI and the impact of AI on Kzero and the opportunity it presents, how is AI factoring into your business?
Yeah, so AI, I mean, we leverage AI on the back end from a development standpoint, but unfortunately, the bad actors have access to AI, and we've seen with precision them use AI to try to attack folks like us, everyday folks that leverage technology, and they're getting better and better at it. And that's why folks need to move to passwordless technology, because once you click on a phishing link, for example, if you have to input a password, then you're done. Whereas in our case, if you click on a phishing link, then you can't bypass a passwordless solution, because it's basically phishing resistant due to us leveraging biometrics.
And for those that don't understand at a high level what biometrics is, why don't you take just a second to explain what is biometrics, what are the type of biometric authentication capabilities that Kzero offers, and then maybe a little bit about what's coming in biometrics.
Yeah, so great question. So just from the ground up, biometrics is simply using something you are, which is inherent to you. So using using facial recognition to authenticate, just to make sure Rob is Rob, or using fingerprint, which is unique to you. You can't copy your fingerprint to authenticate. And we piggyback off of Apple's Face ID. So whatever mobile device they have. So if you have an Apple device, we'll piggyback off of Face ID. If you have an Android device, we'll piggyback off of the fingerprint recognition. So that's basically what we leverage, and we've replaced using passwords to authenticate or codes to authenticate users, because again, passwords were invented in the 60s, and then folks did a good job by layering on top of that 2FA, but we've even outgrown that. So we've gone from something which is a password, to something you have, which is 2FA and using a phone, to something you are, which is at the top from an authentication standpoint, and again, which is biometrics.
One of the things that people are always afraid of is, someone calls the MSP and says, I'm Rob from Monger, and I need you to reset my password, and it's not Rob from Monger, it's some crook.
Yeah.
And the MSP, maybe is a new technician or doesn't know Rob from Monger, and so he just does it without any, authentication.
Yeah.
It sounds like you guys are helping MSPs avoid those types of risks as well.
We completely wipe that away, because there is no password to reset. So if a user is leveraging Kzero, they will always authenticate themselves using their phone, from a facial biometric standpoint or from a fingerprint biometric standpoint. And if they do happen to lose a phone, they can get a one-time password with Kzero.
Very interesting. Very interesting. And as far as the roadmap for Kzero, what are you guys looking to do next year in terms of features or other roadmap items? What can the channel expect from Kzero next year?
Yeah, and that's part of the reason why we're so excited in being here at IT Nation, speaking with hundreds of MSPs and sort of learning from them and using them to push our roadmap, and using them as folks to help us. So we're adding net new features basically on a monthly basis. So the password manager was something that came about when we realized that not all apps support passwordless technology. So that came out about a few months ago. We're adding a Chrome extension within the next week. We're adding things like being able to share passwords in a secret manner as well. We're adding a patent pending encryption to our platform that'll be able to recover lost passwords, if you will, to our password manager. So those are things that are coming, but our roadmap is entirely being driven by both our partners and some prospects, even depending on demand.
If you were an MSP and you were thinking about the issues of authentication, security, and which tools to consider for the future, what advice would you give them?
That's a great question. I would consider sort of vetting from a identity standpoint and authentication standpoint. We're basically there when it comes to passwordless. So I would vet passwordless technology, see what's around, see who has a multi-tenant solution, for example, see who integrates with your tech stack. So meeting you where you are, RMM tools, PSA tools, things of that nature, seeing who has a good partner program that'll help you articulate the benefits of passwordless technology to your clients, and then make a decision based on that.
Look, I know my clients and their users are dying to get rid of 2FA.
Yeah.
2FA is the biggest headache the security has ever imposed on end users.
Yeah.
It's necessary.
Yeah.
I'm not saying
absolutely
it's a burden without a need. I'm just saying it's a burden.
Yeah.
And so passwordless is the future. And I love it when new concepts come into the channel, that when you hear about it, they just resonate with you in a specific way. And passwordless authentication is the future. And you heard it here first from my good friend Danny from Kzero. Thank you for being on the show.
You've been listening to Talk Tech with Rob Scott. Brought to you by Monger. Monger is the first mover in providing contracts as a service solutions specifically designed for IT managed service providers. Their SaaS-enabled legal solution is based on industry-leading templates, customized for each client, and periodically updated to ensure that MSPs always have the latest protections and are legally compliant. For more information, visit monger.com. That's MONJUR.com.